Welcome to today's video. If you're a fan of vintage trucks with modern appeal, you're in for a treat. We're checking out the 1977 Ford F150 Ranger XLT 4x4. A classic truck with an impressive legacy, and of course it's in that sleek, bold black color that's hard to resist. Let's dive in and see what makes this vintage ride stand out even in 2025. First, let's talk about the exterior. This truck carries that signature 70s vibe with sharp lines and a sturdy build, but the black finish really gives it a contemporary twist. The chrome grille and bumpers still catch the light just right, while the bold Ranger badge adds that subtle yet proud touch. The 4x4 badge on the fender signals you're looking at a true off-roading beast, ready to take on any terrain with its rugged looks. When you get inside, you'll notice the combination of vintage charm and utility. The cabin in this 1977 model still keeps the classic feel of the era, but has been upgraded with a more comfortable, modern touch. The black vinyl seating complements the exterior color, with a simple yet functional dashboard layout. It's a no-frills, hands-on experience, with a large steering wheel and mechanical dials giving you that nostalgic connection to a time when trucks were made to last. The spaciousness of the interior ensures you're not cramped, whether you're hauling equipment or just cruising on a weekend getaway. Under the hood, the 1977 Ford F150 Ranger XLT 4x4 doesn't disappoint. This truck comes with a V8 engine, offering solid power for both daily driving and off-road adventures. It provides that robust feel with torque to get you through tough terrain, whether you're climbing a muddy hill or just cruising on the highway. Keep in mind that fuel efficiency isn't its strong suit. It's built for power, not savings at the pump. Still, there's a satisfying connection when you rev the engine, and it's clear why this truck has stood the test of time. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 1977 Ford F150 Ranger XLT 4x4 is a classic, so if you're looking for one in good condition, expect to pay anywhere between $20,000 and $30,000, depending on the truck's condition and any restoration work that's been done. That's a pretty fair price for a vintage gem that still holds up to modern-day expectations, whether you're buying it for nostalgia, utility, or just because you love classic trucks. The 1977 Ford F150 Ranger XLT 4x4 in black color is a timeless choice. It has the style, the power, and the history that makes it a true icon on the road. Thanks for watching today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic truck reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of this beauty, or if there's another vehicle you want us to take a look at. See you in the next video.